Yeah, she made you eat it.
It's a video. All right, all my lifestyle people, we have a box. Something that I've been waiting on. Oh yeah, been waiting on this all day, all day. Ooh, check it out. Ooh, ooh, you know it. Anyway, back to the subject at hand. Got a box that I'm waiting to open, and you guys are gonna open it with me. Let's go ahead on and check it out. But before we open that, check out the merch. Hustler Lingo. The holla at Kanshana. She has it. I'll drop the link down in the description below. I'll drop a Facebook page. I love these shirts, man. And I'm gonna have to go get some more. I actually got something up here on it. Today I was doing some things, man. Today's been a rough day, you know. I believe I got it on me. Right. But man, awesome merch, awesome shirt. She got all kind of different things, man. You guys go check her out. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below, and check her out on Facebook, man. Tons of merch, tons of things. Go check her out and go get something for me. All right, we're back to it. See what this is right here. Let me see. Hold on. First, I guess we're gonna. I don't know which one is which. Bought a couple of different things. Which one is this? What's this right here? What are we doing on this box? All day. Okay. Boom. Just these. I got these. You know. Getting ready to start working out and everything, so if I can get this glare off of it. Beat Studios. This is going with my workout, and I'm gonna, you know, these definitely help whenever you're working out. So I bought these. I ordered these, but that's not the big thing. We're gonna get that out the way. Shout out to Beats. I know. I'll always be careful whenever you're opening boxes. You don't want to cut yourself. I am a skilled professional, so boom. No, I'm just playing. I'm not a professional, but what are these? Let's see. Uh-oh. That what I got? No, that's just the case for what I got. Wait. Oh, it says it right here. Oh. The Note 20 Ultra. Right now, I am recording on my Galaxy Note 8. So I am way outdated, and this has been a long time coming, and I've been needing a new phone. But this one's paid off, so I mean, I really couldn't complain. It still works, still fine and everything, but I think it was about time for an upgrade. I've been due for an upgrade. Normally, I don't be so, you know, it don't take me that long to actually start doing upgrades, but now that I've grown up and, you know, gotten a little better, I've learned to value my phones more, because I used to run through phones like crazy. But I learned to value my phones more and value everything that I have, so I didn't have to have the newest phone every time it came out. But this one here, yeah, it was past due. Hold on one second. There we go. All right, now let's see. Ooh, gotta break the seals. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Oh, be careful. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Don't damage nothing. Nothing. Oh, oh. Maybe if this knife was a little sharper. Oh, well, it is. Oh, no, no. Did you see it? It went all the way down in there like that. Don't scare me like that no more. Oh, gosh. This is a very, very large phone. Oh, by the way, this is the 512 gigs. Yup, 512. Oh, let me get that. And it only comes in black. And see, I was going to get the new Note last year, but the Note 10, but I wanted one with the 512 gigabytes. Guess what? I waited too late. Waited too late to get it, and they was out of stock. And guess what? I kept watching and kept watching, and they never came back into stock. So, well, I gotta get that out the way. So, I just waited because I knew I needed a lot of storage for what I'm doing these videos. Oh my goodness. Oh, this thing feels, ooh. Ooh. Y'all, we're gonna have a lot of great footage with this. This plus my GoPro, this is totally different too from mine. No buttons on the side. Let me take this. Yeah, there you go. No buttons on the side, on the left side. All the buttons are on the right side. And my pen is underneath on the left. So that's different. Let's see what, woohoo. Goodness. Let's sit there and let that come on while we look at what's in here. Okay. Samsung, I see you. This is the super fast charger. Boom. I forgot how many. Let me see how many. This is. I want to say it was 25 volt charger. It's Type C charger. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yep, Type C. Boom, there it is. And that's about it on the unboxing, y'all. It's pretty much simple. Pretty simple. This is everything that it comes with. I don't know how my footage is looking. Oh, I ripped it. Oh no. Oh, I ripped it because I didn't do it right. I did it on the wrong side. Goofy me. Terms. You know, all the guides and the terms and conditions and, you know, the information and, you know. I'm ready to put this on. I definitely have to put this on for where I work. Work at a steel mill. And if I crack this phone, y'all are going to see me cry. Y'all going to see a grown man cry. Let's get started. All right. Who reads these? Oops, I mean, everybody should read this, right? Everybody. Nobody reads it. I am an existing customer. All right, guys, we'll be back. And I guess I'll probably be filming from my new phone. All right, let me go ahead on and end this real quick. We're 9 minutes in. Gosh, I can talk. We'll be back, guys. All right, everyone. I hope y'all stay safe. in this weather. It's been a couple of days since I've had this phone. I like it so far. I really do. I can go into more details later on, but I just wanted to do a little recording with this, just to show you guys. But hold on, let me see if I need to. How about that? Anyway, oh man, okay, the lid's closed. I need to buy a cover for this thing. I'm gonna have to buy a new one anyway, a bigger grill. Left my wrap outside. I mean my full. But yeah, anyways, that's what it looks like. You guys stay safe out here, Hurricane Laura. This is in Arkansas, by the way. Hope, Arkansas. This is we're getting the aftermath of it pretty much. It really hasn't started. I knocked some plants down. Oh gosh. But anyway, we're getting the aftermath of it. So you guys definitely be safe out here. And praying for everyone that it affects. Alright, thank you guys for watching.